In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money on PayPal. Whether you're looking to make a bit of extra cash or pursue a side hustle, PayPal offers a variety of ways to help you boost your income. Let's dive into some practical methods you can start using right away. First up, you can leverage PayPal's own features to earn rewards. PayPal offers a rewards program that gives you cash back on eligible purchases, sure to put a little extra in your pocket. You can take it a step further by getting a PayPal debit card, which lets you choose a monthly cashback category like groceries or gas, allowing you to earn a percentage back on purchases made in those selected categories. Next, consider the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. With no annual fee, this credit card lets you earn cash back on your everyday purchases, making it another great option for turning your regular spending into savings. It's a straightforward way to increase your earnings without significantly altering your lifestyle. If you have a skill to offer, freelancing can be a lucrative way to earn money. Platforms where freelancers thrive allow you to offer your services and receive payments directly through your PayPal account. Whether you're a writer, designer, or have any other talent, freelancing provides a flexible way to grow your income. Selling items online is another straightforward method to generate income. List products on platforms like eBay or Etsy and use PayPal to receive your earnings securely. These platforms not only provide a marketplace for your goods, but also often integrate smoothly with PayPal, making the process hassle-free. Affiliate marketing is yet another avenue to explore. By promoting products or services with affiliate links on your blog, social media, or other content platforms, you can earn a commission on sales made through your links. It requires an initial effort to set up, but once you get going, it can become a substantial revenue stream. Lastly, completing online tasks is an accessible way to earn cash. Websites like Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, and FreeCash.com offer various activities. Whether it's taking surveys, playing games, or watching videos, these online tasks come with rewards. Once you hit the minimum payout threshold, you can choose to redeem these rewards via PayPal. I hope these methods give you a solid starting point to begin earning money with PayPal. Each option offers convenience and flexibility, allowing you to tailor your approach based on your skills and available time. Give one or more a try and see how you can enhance your income today. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Now go out there and start earning with PayPal.